In this video, we're going to focus on chemical kinetics. Whenever we talk about thermodynamics, it helps us to understand whether a chemical reaction will occur or not. But it does not tell us about the speed of chemical reactions. Chemical kinetics is the branch of physical chemistry that deals with rate of chemical reactions, the mechanism by which the chemical reactions take place, various factors that influence the rate of chemical reactions such as concentration, temperature, pressure, catalyst, etc. On the basis of rates, chemical reactions can be divided into three categories. First one is very fast or instantaneous reactions. These reactions are so fast that they occur as soon as the reactants are brought together. It is almost impossible to determine the rate of these reactions. For example, precipitation of silver chloride. When silver nitrate solution is mixed with sodium chloride solution, the precipitation of silver chloride occurs. When barium chloride solution is mixed with sulfuric acid solution, the precipitation of barium sulfate occurs. The third example is neutralization reaction. When an acid reacts with base, it forms salt and water. These kind of reactions are very fast in nature. The second category is very slow reactions. For example, the conversion between graphite and diamond can take hundreds of years to complete. The reaction between hydrogen and oxygen at room temperature is very slow. The reaction between carbon and oxygen at room temperature is also very slow. Another reaction between carbon monoxide and hydrogen to form methanol at room temperature is also very slow in nature. Rusting of iron occurs very slowly. There are certain type of reactions that take place at moderate and measurable rates at room temperature. And these kinds of reactions are studied in chemical kinetics. So some examples are the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide into dinitrogen tetroxide and oxygen, hydrolysis of ester gives us acid and alcohol, inversion of cane sugar gives us glucose and fructose, reaction between NO2 and carbon monoxide gives us nitric oxide and carbon dioxide, reaction between ferric chloride and stannous chloride gives us ferrous chloride and stannic chloride. Decolorization of acidified potassium permanganate with sodium oxalate, and the last one is the reaction between nitric oxide and chlorine to form NaCl. Chemical reactions can be speeded up or slowed down by changing the specific conditions under they occur. For example, the reaction between carbon monoxide and hydrogen to form methanol can be speeded up by maintaining the temperature at 400 degrees Celsius and pressure at 300 atmospheres, and by using some catalyst like zinc oxide or chromium oxide. The decay of food particles can be slowed down by preserving them in refrigerators. So there are many applications of chemical kinetics in our real life. So the two principal reasons for studying chemical kinetics are to predict the rate of a particular reaction under specific conditions, because The field of chemical kinetics is useful in industry as the condition for maximum yields of industrial products can be ascertained. And the second reason is to predict the mechanism of the reaction. So this is our introduction to chemical kinetics. In the next lesson, we are going to learn about the rate of chemical reactions. So thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.